Welcome to the My Student Pilot channel. In this video, we will discuss 5 things you must know before choosing a flight school. 1. Know the difference between Part 61 versus Part 141 flight schools. Part 61 schools offer flexible, one-on-one instruction and tend to be smaller flight schools. Great for getting your private pilot license. Part 141 schools follow a structured FAA-approved curriculum, often required for VA benefits, some loans, and faster airline track training. These schools work much better for advanced ratings and licenses, such as instrument rating, commercial pilot license, and airline transport pilot license. If you're aiming for an airline career, many recruiters favor 141 schools or college-affiliated programs. 2. Understand the true cost and what's included in your instruction. Get a written cost estimate for your licenses. Understand that this will not be an exact dollar amount because every student learns at a different rate, but you'll have a good approximation of the cost to get your private pilot license, instrument rating, commercial license, and so on. Also verify that the estimated cost includes fuel, ground and flight instruction time, study materials, and simulator time. These are typical add-on expense that you must be aware of. Your check ride is another expense that may not be quoted since that is paid directly to the flight examiner. That could add anywhere from $600 to $1,000 to your total cost. Beware that some schools will quote you the minimum hours to get your license instead of the average amount of flight hours to achieve your license or rating. Always ask for cost based on average hours to obtain license. 3. Interview potential instructors. Your CFI, Certified Flight Instructor, can make or break your training. Ask about their experience, teaching style, and how long they've been at the school. And remember, high instructor turnover is a possible red flag. 4. Check the fleet and maintenance. Are the aircraft modern, clean, and well-maintained? How many planes are available versus how many students? A broken plane equals canceled flights, which adds to training delays and higher cost. 5. Match the school to your goals. Just getting a private pilot license for fun? A local Part 61 school might be perfect. Planning to go all the way to the airlines? Choose a school with accelerated career track programs, financing or VA benefits, airline partnerships or time-building options, like CFI jobs. So there you have it. 5 things you should know about when choosing a flight school. To learn more about becoming a private pilot or navigating a career as an airline pilot, go to mystudentpilot.com. And please subscribe to get the latest on training and pilot career advice. Thank you for watching.